Hi, Craig. This is Viola Barnett. Thank you so much for responding to my thread in the group earlier this afternoon, and thanks for clicking on this video. So, I want to talk to you today about three things that are going to be able to help you in your business and help you get some more business via online. And those three things are content, citations, and backlinks. Right. And in case you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, I just found that, when I'm able to give people the information and go do it themselves, it gives them the opportunity to be able to do that if they can. And if they can't, then at least they know who to come to if they need to ask for some help. So I'm going to go over that with you. And the first thing I noticed is that you do not have a website as yet. And I'm going to tell you why that's super important to go ahead and get one if you're not already in the process of doing that, is because if somebody goes on Google, right, and they type in furniture cleaning Wisconsin, and I know you do carpet cleaning and furniture, but if somebody types that in, Google's job is to put them in front of the article that has the most words on it. So what do I mean by that? This area down here is the organic section, and the only way to get into this area is with a website. Right? Then you have this section here, which is what we call the map pack because it's always located directly under the map. And this section, you don't necessarily have to have a website. However, you do have to have it optimized correctly in order to be able to rank on these, on this first page here. And this has everything to do with citations, right? And then up here, of course, this is paid advertisement, which most people bypass anyway, whether it's because of ad blockers or just bad experiences, right? So when it comes to being located, right now, this is the #1 competitor, right? Because this is the business that's popping up first, heavensbestmilwaukee.com. So I went ahead and pulled them up in another window here. And as you can see, just from looking at it, their website is a bit dated. Right, but it just tells you that Google really doesn't care how good looking the website is. Google's job is really just to read the website. They care about the content. And as you can see, they don't have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this home page, yet they're still #1, right? And that's because Google sees them as an authoritative site in their eyes, especially since there isn't another one outside of Angie's List, which is a totally different beast, right? So how do we measure this? This is a tool that I use called Ahrefs. As you can see right here, I pay about 99 bucks a month for it. And this just allows me to go in the back end of a website and see what's going on. They've been in business since January. And I wanted to talk to you about backlinks. So a backlink is simply site A has a link on it, right? So let's say you went to a website and there's a link on it with your website connected to that link, and it links you back. That's the backlink, linking you back to your website, which in turn gives you power, right? So the strategy here will be to go in and see exactly what backlinks are working for Haven's Best, and pretty much I would ask for a link on those pages for myself as well too. So that way, once you know it's working for them, it's obviously going to work for you. Now, keep in mind that not all backlinks are created equal. If you notice, this number changes according to the site, right? So, for example, if you did some upholstery work for like a pizzeria and they decided that they were going to give you a backlink on their pizza page, well, obviously Google knows that you don't sling pizza for a living, so that's not going to be as powerful of a backlink as like the 9 best Milwaukee carpet cleaners page. That's going to give you a lot more power, right? So, not all of them are created equal, but the strategy, go and see what's working for this company and go ahead and apply it to yours. But of course, once you get your website up and running. Now, the last thing I wanted to go over with you are keywords. Super important, super helpful, and this particular website is using a ton of them. So what do I mean? Carpet cleaning Milwaukee. Whenever somebody types that in Google, this is what the stats are. 300 different people are looking for carpet cleaning Milwaukee per month. And this company gets 57 out of those 300 clients per month, and they're in a #2 position on Google for it. right? You see that? And look here, carpet cleaners, Milwaukee. This is actually a different keyword than this one. So a separate set of people look for this. So 150 people look for that keyword per month. They get 42 from that 150 and they're in the number one spot. You see that? So right there alone, they're getting 100 clients, just about 99 clients just from these two keywords, and the list goes on and on. So I would go through this and sift through, see exactly what it is that's working for them and how the ones that would apply to you. Obviously don't take anything like, Haven's Best, right? But take the ones that will apply to you and add that into your website, incorporate that into your photos, etc. Like I said, Google likes to read the websites. So that's pretty much all I have for you. Once you get these things up and running, you'll see a huge shift in the increase of business that you'll start to receive just from the online presence, right? Because right now, if somebody goes in and types in carpet cleaning in your area, the Facebook page won't populate because of that, right? And we want to be able to have people find us. So again, thank you so much for watching this video and taking the time out. I really appreciate it, Craig. And if you do need any help with this, or if you have any questions, I'm more than happy to shoot over some information so we can see how we could partner together. Other than that, thank you, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.